What's up, guys? We are camping today. Got Dane.
Hola.
Brother Omar.
Hi, friends.
Oh,
How are you?
it's gonna be Omar and friends today.
Omar and friends.
So we're just gonna set up and catch you guys in a bit.
Hello, friends. We have some fucked up strawberries. You see it? Look at that. What? Who and bring them? What do you mean? Going into the blend. Yeah. Those knife skills.
We're gonna change our life around and start eating fruits.
Yeah. Keto. Yeah.
Cheers, yeah. Goodies. Better us.
Hey, how's your legs doing?
We make a jumbo juice.
Making a jumbo juice.
The jumbo juice.
What I do?
I don't like this.
Oh, no.
You don't like it?
I could think of it.
I don't like it.
There we go. If I still got it. Oh. Wow.
I'll smoke it
Smell good?
with the fruit.
Okay.
You put on the hearts first, or you put everything in?
I don't know.
Tornado that fuck.
That one's fine. Oh, I can smell him heading from Oh,
Smells good.
yeah, stand by. Oh, what is that?
Bug. Plastic. Oh, look good.
This is going in?
Yeah. So we're not gonna sleep.
We gotta test it. I haven't drank this since like high school kind.
I don't want Powerade for hydration.
See the technique?
Yeah.
Fucking all the way canal that shit. Stroke that. Good mixing, guys.
Some water to balance it out. Yeah, yeah. Hey. Okay, the lid gotta go in still.
Scooter, ready?
Very good.
Chairs off. Knife coming in.
Might come in.
What?
What's the first taste of this thing burnt?
I don't know what it tastes like then.
This fucking looks dangerous.
It looks dangerous.
Y'all come back now. Granny CP.
But what if you just sell this on the side of the road?
What would you sell it? Lemonade.
Like lemonade.
Off the pressure, I might squeeze it out.
She tight dog. She
Take here.
Take a break. I like to see you guys taste them first. I don't want to be pissing out of my ass this whole time. Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, the cherries. This bullet's in your car.
What is it?
Fucking one cup, you guys
What?
forget your names.
I don't know what it tastes like, but it's alright.
It's good.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I
It
think
tastes like a screwdriver.
We look for flathead. And butcher.
Flat.
Number 2 square.
pretty good.
Pretty good.
I feel like needs like maybe something. Yeah, it needs
Combination.
Yeah.
Maybe drink some more.
Gotta drink some down though. Carbonara.
Go around. Keep going. Keep going. Yato.
It's too hot.
Fuck. Look like creamy pushy that one. Oh wait.
Taco beef.
Taco babes and that's the big over there.
Taco babes and that's the babe. Let's look for one with the dreads. Louis Bravo, what do you have to say about your fans?
What's up, everybody? We're about to attempt something very dangerous.
Okay.
Don't do this at home.
Yeah.
Or you do it at kind of point.
Yeah.
Yeah, you shoot now. Last chance.
I'm gonna count though.
Relax.
I'm gonna count, yeah.
Ready?
Broken.
Shoot him.
Ready?
Yeah.
Everybody ready? Oh! Oh, it ain't that like fucking shit. Nothing.
Well, you think feel though? You
Huh?
kinda hurt.
Oh, you're hurting right now.
I feel bad. Walk it off, champ. Walk it off.
Okay, get the rubber balls now.
Look at this guy sleeping already. Everybody over there. Here we are. What you doing, Gary?
Working sick record.
What you doing? Then have some coffee. This guy all gone already.
Why not? That's me. You should have been recording him when he was sleeping. He just woke up right now. Go away.
Rest in peace.
Oh shit!
People on YouTube say they know you. Everybody, this is Louis Bravo right there. In action.
Yeah, you need to shine now.
Huh?
What's up, everybody?
What you doing over there?
Making it wet.
That's the oyster man right there.
Oh, fuck that, bro.
It's the oyster man.
That's the man.
If you guys know who's Louis Bravo, give this video a like.
Ah!
Hey! I don't know, plenty of people say they know you. If you guys know who's Louis Bravo, can you comment down and state where you know him from, so he knows who you are. Yeah, Louis. Oh, party. Katakot. What? S'mores now. Order. My bad.
Roasting weenie.
How our fight, everybody?
That's how you guys how to heat up your guys' pipe.
Thank you.
Oh, put some fucking Latin music.
How am I here? The other one. Let's go visit the other one. That's fine. What are you so? Everybody, the famous Louis Bravo. This dog.
Hey, someone got to take this right off my hand.
What's up, everyone? Just woke up. It was a pretty good night. Guys are all cleaned up and ready to head out.
Oh, I smell a fucking bag of shit. Damn, are you putting enough powder or what?
I'm filled up, fucker.
Oh, that's diver, that's his favorite.
Fucking choke ass pucky.
Fuck that, I kinda dive this car in open ocean. I fucking shit my pants, dude.
Do you guys have anything to say?
Dane, you and faggot.
Why?
Because you left us in our like clean. Fuck you. Dumb motherfucker.
Kept sitting motherfucker.
Who else?
The guy first one to sleep and first one to leave.
Hey, you heard that, Dane?
Anyways, we're gonna head out soon. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, drop a comment down below, and
Subscribe, fuckers.